Here I have ZTE Blade A7 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to enter meta mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key, and after your device turns off completely, you firstly need to connect it to the charger, and then hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time like this. And that's how you enter meta mode. Now you can unplug charger. Small letters here say meta mode. To exit, please long press the power key. Avoid pressing the volume keys when turning on headset. So if you want to exit meta mode, just hold down power key for a few seconds, and after that your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.